Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And I myself today am very much intrigued for this particular reaction because the song that I will be listening to is from a channel that has nothing to do with music. It has everything to do with gaming, and yes, I will be listening to a song from the Battlegrounds Mobile India channel. They have just released it. It's their 4th anniversary. So Battlegrounds Mobile India formerly was known as PUBG, and a game which took our nation by storm. So it's their 4th anniversary, and this is BGMI South Anthem. Okay, I am in. I am totally in. And the name of the song is Namma Battlegrounds. So I don't want to delay this any further. It's almost a 6-minute song. Let's see what it is. I am really intrigued. I'm really intrigued to listen to this. So yes, let's go. So it's not written who are the artists here. Like in the description also I couldn't find out. But okay, no problem. Let's listen to the song. So it is an anniversary special song. Thank God there's subtitles in the dialogue. Oh, sorry.
ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு போட்ட கடனா அது திடீர்னு காலி பண்ண சொன்னா எங்கனா போவோம்
நீ எங்கனா போ ஆனா கடைய கொடுத்துட்டு போ
Oh, no, the shop.
ஓ சிக்கன் ரைஸ் தள்ளிருப்ப நான் அத கேட்டிருப்பேனா யானா திடீர்னு இவ்ளோ சிக்கன் குடுக்குற
சிக்கன் குடுக்குறோம் அல போட்டேன்டா
என்னப்பா பிரச்சனை
பிஜிஎம் தலைவரே
விளையாடுவியா
எங்க டீம்லாம் வேற லெவல்ல ஸ்கோப் அடிப்போம்
ஏய் நாங்கெல்லாம் ஏடா கூடமா விளையாடுவோம்டா ஏய் சிரிக்கிற குமாரே பொச்சிங்கில புதைச்சிருவேன்
யாரா இறங்கிற போறோம் போனா
இறங்கடா
ஏய் நிறுத்துங்கடா உங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் ஒரு பெட் மேட்ச் 3 ரவுண்ட் டிடிஎம்
Okay.
இதுல எவன் ஜெயிக்கிறீங்களோ
Winner gets the shop. All right.
நல்ல மேட்ச் போய் டீம் ரெடி பண்ணுங்க
This is very interesting.
அப்ப 5 நாள்ல கடை என்னது
தோத்தா பேச்சு மாற விடான்னு சொல்றீங்க தலைவரே
ஏய் போடா போடா போடா
போறோம்
Oh, that was a good transition.
Red zone and the time level all villain bomb bro and kuda ya homies impeccable combo enna polo
Oh, we don't have the subtitles for the song, but at least we have for the video, like for the dialogues we had. So I have some context on, okay, now both of them are going to play like their teams basically.
pennuடைய gang go ஆரம்பிச்ச போது எங்க கெங்க தண்ட போங்கு உங்கள ஒருத்தனா சூட்டா மொத்த டீம் பின் வாங்கு நேத்தன புல்லட் உங்களின் தலைக்கு வசங்க தாங்கும் காடி பட்டு வந்து வரும் ஊரு ஃபுல்லா தேடி கொள்வோம் மீதி இல்ல 4 பேர் 100 பேர் முச்சுடு
No way.
நேர்க்கது தாடல ரெடி வெச்ச கண்ண எடுக்க மாட்டா அப்படி இருக்க சண்டை காட்சி புள்ளைங்க எல்லாம் ஒரே சீன்ல விழுந்தா ஒரு ஃபுல்லா வெச்சிடுவேன்
Oh no.
பிளான் பண்ணி நினைச்சுக்க மண்டைக்கு வந்த பிளான் பண்ண ஒரே கைய வச்சு விட்ட பிறகு எதுக்கிட்ட கை வரணும் ஸ்னைப்பர் ஸ்னைப்பா வந்து நான் எல்லாருக்கும் குத்துற மரணம்
Taken over. Very interesting.
I got supplies. Get to the safe zone.
వేటగాళ్ళు కాక ముందు వేట చేసి తీటగాళ్ళు చేతగాని మాటలన్నీ బాగుకునే వేటగాళ్ళు ర్యాపర్ అని చెప్పుకుంటూ తిరిగి తెంటి ర్యాప్ రాదు నాకు ఎందుకు మధ్య ఎప్పుడు ఇంకా గ్యాప్ రాదు చూసా తుపాకి చూసాను లాటి ప్రతి ఒక్క మాటలో గాయాన్ని దాచి వచ్చాను
He's recruiting for his team now.
చొక్కనే చూపిస్తా మార్చి షాప్ షూట్ ఆటోమేటిక్ నాను క్యానిబల్ బ్యాటిల్ గ్రౌండ్ లెగ్ల మైండ్ నందు క్రిమినల్ ప్రతి అందు మూవ్స్ కూడా నూరు సినికల్ 8 టెక్స్ స్కోప్ నందు గురి హెవీ క్రిటికల్ నరంతగా
It's like a movie.
మరణాంతిక గాలి బిసి ఆಗಿದೆ వేటయాడు కొందకెల పగు పగు కల్చదే గాడ్ లెవెల్ ప్లేయర్ నాను చికండి
I have to know who's rapping. I really like it. I wish the subtitles were there for the song as well, because I mean now it's the norm, but it's fine. At least I'm getting the context, like the visuals, the storytelling is already there, and very energetic song. This is fun.
கேட்டு பாரு ஊருக்குள்ள யாரும் இல்ல என்ன போல போலாதவ தோல உரிசி எலும்பு உடச்சு கறிய வருது வச்சா வின சிக்கண்டினா
Okay, who's gonna get the shop? Home exercise is important.
வின சிக்கண்டினா
important. Who all are Battleground fans? Please let me know. Okay, all practice is done. Now the actual game begins.
I am a bone chiller, light them up, flashbang go thriller. My AK spray, let it rain. Swimmer, everybody afraid of the man in the mirror when it's Uzi. Ready your face like jacuzzi, whoozy. Shooting all the enemies like a movie. All of my bullets started sound gooey.
All right.
Newbies, I'm not Giuseppe. I am the G-O-A-T, you're below me. My enemies are hit, kiss on me. I decimate everything.
I love this concept. And the song is good.
No, revival when I arrive up the song survival. The track is right, got the mighty white wheels. I gang the mic. And the boy, let's hit the fight tonight.
വന്നാലും കൊന്നാലും ഓടാതെ നോക്കി ഞാൻ സ്കോപ്പിട്ട് നോക്കിയാ പോടാതെ സ്മോക്ക്
Okay.
നോക്കി കണ്ടിരുന്ന ടീമിനെ നോക്കാൻ മറന്ന തോക്കിന്റെ പുള്ള കഴിഞ്ഞ തോൽവിനെ കണ്ട പടക വീഴുന്ന നിന്റെ തലക മുതൽ വന്ന കഥക ബുള്ളറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് പടക സ്കോപ്പിന്റെ സൈഡ് തന്നെ
Okay, it's a tie till now.
Chicken watch fire get the death for the yo. Put your gun down and the headshot take yo. Anybody look at the brain squad get yo. അടങ്ങിട മറുകര ആടാവടി അടിക്കടി വെടിക്കിര അതിരടി താന്നെ അടിതടി കൊലവര നടുവില നാന്നെ സിനിമ കവസനത്തിലേക്ക് വരാൻ പരിചനെ പയണ്ടേ ഉനക്ക് എനിക്ക് പഴയ കടകനറിയ ഇരിക്കനാടേ.
Please tell me who are the artists, man. This is crazy. Love this song. I mean, the visuals are also amazing, but the song is so good. Oh my god, not the Vikram reference. Not the Vikram reference in this. That is so cool. I love that. Did not expect that.
Enemy down. Get to the safe
Awesome. I absolutely loved this. Oh, this was... Oh my goodness. Okay. You know what this reminded me of? This reminded me of Namma Stories as well. Namma Battlegrounds is actually reminded me of Namma Stories, which was released by Netflix. Okay, let me stop this. That was absolutely fire. That was absolutely fire. And the only thing which I always say in my videos whenever I react to songs is that now by default, every song should have subtitles. Everything should have subtitles specifically because in Indian context, there are just so many languages, and if you want to watch content from different regions, if you do not know the language, then subtitles really help you break that barrier, right? So I am a very big proponent of having subtitles, yes. But this song, even though there were no subtitles, you got the context. I would have loved to know what the lyrics mean, but at least in the beginning dialogues, you knew that what was the story and what was the setup basically happening. And this was a very, very fun and engaging video. I absolutely enjoyed this through and through. I never expected to react to a song from Battleground. No, that was not on my 2025 bingo card, but it was so worth it. It was so worth the watch. I'm so happy that I got this recommended, and I'm really happy I reacted to it. And it is their anniversary special song, so yes, this reaction is also extra special then for me. So that was the reaction to Namma Battlegrounds. Please let me know, what were your thoughts? Did you have fun? I love the editing. It's very fast paced. This video was extremely dynamic. Loved it. Like, the energy was on point. I enjoyed it a lot. Would have enjoyed it even more if I knew the lyrics, but that's okay. The vibes were there. Let's put it that way. The vibes were there fully. So yes, that was my reaction, and I'm going to sign off now from this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.